Friends, whenever we talk about this universe, that is, this universe, then many questions begin to wander in our minds. Like, how will our universe be made? How big will it be? And what is it that this universe has hidden inside us even today? So friends, this universe has buried many terrible secrets inside it. But the most terrible thing we have seen is the black hole, a dark place from where there is no way back. We hear many stories about black holes, like this is the way to another universe. That is, after going to the black hole, we will reach such a universe where a different kind of life is left, which is beyond time. That is, there will be no time there, and no death will ever come. And some people also believe that black holes are the way to God. But friends, these are just people's wild guesses. Because so far only black holes have been seen, they have not been observed. Like nothing going back in the black holes give death or a new life. Then it is possible to tell that similarly, to find the answer to some questions, man began to study the universe. And when man studied the universe, man's mind was also stunned. So in today's video, we will discuss in detail about the most dangerous thing in the universe, black holes. So the video will be very interesting, so keep watching it till the end. So friends, if we talk about the black hole, then the black hole is the most dangerous thing in the universe. Because the black hole is such a place where there is the most darkness of the universe. Nothing can escape from that darkness, even if there is no light. Light does go into the black hole, but does not come back from there, because black holes also swallow light. And because of their dark form, they are called black holes. So if the black hole is understood from a scientific point of view, then the black hole is such a place where the force of gravity is very strong. And if it is said directly, then the most powerful gravity of this universe is found in a black hole. Its gravity pulls everything in itself that comes in its orbit. And whenever something goes into the black hole once, it never comes back. That is why the black hole is called the point of no return. That is, a way where there is no return, or a dark night that has no dawn. After going into the black hole, no field of physics works, and the last of gravity also falls into the black hole. That is, the black hole is a scary and mysterious face of our universe, which is not easy to understand. So this was the appreciation of the black hole. What is the black hole? So now if we want to understand the black hole more, then we will have to find the answers to some questions. Like, how does a black hole become? What will happen if our Earth falls into a black hole? And if our sun becomes a black hole, then what will happen to our solar system? So just like that, by finding the answers to these questions, we will be able to understand what is the black hole. So now, without wasting time, let's start the countdown of our questions. Question number 10, how does a black hole become? To find the answer to this question, we will have to go back 100 years. That is, in the 20th century. Because people of the 20th century thought that there was nothing like a black hole. For them, it was just a story. In 1916, they used Einstein's general theory of relativity, that if we compress the size of anything too much, then that thing will become a black hole. Now you must know that when we compress something, then its size becomes smaller. So according to Sir Swastik Child, whenever we compress a mass to an extent, then it will become a black hole. That is, if we make the size of our Earth too small, then our Earth will also become a black hole. Anyway, at that time, this theory was considered a joke. But when 1971 came, then this theory became a reality. Because in 1971, scientists saw the first black hole in this universe. After seeing it, it was found that it was highly compressed. That black hole was 6,000 light years away from our Earth. And if you don't know about light years, then let me tell you that a light year means where it takes 1 year to reach the light. That is, if it takes 1 year to reach the light of the sun on a planet, then it means that it is 1 light year away from the sun. So the black hole that was first discovered was 6,000 light years away from our Earth. That is, if light is sent from our Earth to that black hole, then it will take 6,000 years to reach that light. And we know very well that light is the fastest thing in this universe. Question number 9. How many types of black holes are there? So friends, from 1971 to now, scientists have seen many black holes, in which they have found 4 types of black holes: miniature black holes, stellar black holes, intermediate black holes, and supermassive black holes. Now, if we talk about miniature black holes, then this black hole is very small. According to an estimate, The size of this black hole is equal to that of a single atom, but still it is so powerful that it can easily swallow a big mountain. The age of these small black holes is around the age of this universe. Scientists believe that these small black holes were formed immediately after the Big Bang, when space has scattered some of its pieces here and there. After miniature black holes come stellar black holes, whose size can be 10 to 15 times or even 20 times larger than our sun. These black holes are formed after supernova, and supernova happens when a very big star dies. This star can be at least 25 times larger than our sun, and when it dies, it explodes. It spreads so much light, which is billions of times larger than the light of the sun, and so much high energy is released from it that its light stays in a galaxy for many weeks. This act of star's death is called supernova, and after supernova, a stellar black hole is formed. Now on number 3 comes intermediate black hole. These black holes are formed when many stellar black holes die in each other and make a big black hole. And the most dangerous and biggest black hole is a supermassive black hole. This black hole is so big that its size is billions of times larger than our sun. This black hole is present in the center of every galaxy, and it is so big that human cannot even guess it. And such a black hole is present in the center of our galaxy, which is Sagittarius A star. The size of Sagittarius A star is 4 million times bigger than our sun, and these supermassive black holes were formed when galaxies were formed. Question number 8. What will happen if you fall into a black hole? The answer is that the black hole contains the most gravity of the universe. It pulls everything inside itself with such a gravitational force that either that thing breaks or it becomes very much stretched. That is, if you go inside the black hole, you will become a long noodle, and when you will be a little away from the black hole, then you will feel the time dilation effect. For example, you reach the back of a black hole. If you make a video call to your friend who is on Earth at that time, then you will see your friend moving very fast, but there you will see him moving very slowly, which is very scary to hear. By the way, this has never happened to anyone because black holes are so far away that it will take thousands of years for a person to reach light. But friends, many scientists have seen black holes tearing up big stars. They get out of those stars and even finish their light. Question number 7. If black holes are black and there is a lot of darkness in them, then how are they visible? The answer is that black holes are invisible. They are not visible at all. There is only one way to see them, and that is the accretion disk around them, which is made when black holes swallow many stars. Then the remaining dust and gases of those stars start dying around the black hole. Friends, the accretion disk is around the black hole, but the part inside the black hole, which is completely dark, is called the event horizon, which cannot be seen on the Earth, and nothing that goes there comes back. It is like a blind well. Question number 6. What will happen if our sun becomes a black hole? Will it destroy our solar system? The answer is that the sun can never become a black hole, because the sun is a very small star. It does not have enough energy to make a black hole, when the life of the sun will be complete after 5 billion years. Then our sun will turn red, and it will become a red giant star, and then finally our sun will become a white star, and it will become completely cold. But still we believe that our sun has become a black hole. So friends, this will not have any effect on our solar system. All the planets will start revolving around that black hole as they revolve around the sun. But then the problem will be that we will not get the light of the sun, due to which our life on Earth will end. Question number 5. If black holes are so dangerous that they do not leave anything around them, so can it ever happen that black holes will eat our galaxies? So the answer to this question is no, meaning that black hole is very powerful, but it is not so powerful that it will eat the entire galaxy. A galaxy is very big, and black hole cannot be seen in front of the galaxy. Question number 4. If our Earth falls into a big black hole, then what will happen to our Earth? So the answer is that our Earth will go into the black hole very easily. In the beginning, we will not feel anything, but as soon as we go into the black hole, then our Earth will become small pieces because the gravity of our Earth cannot compete with the gravity of a black hole. And after going into the black hole, the result will be only death. And those who say that the black hole is the way to God, so I think they are telling true because we will reach only to God after death. Is there a way to get out of the black hole or to get out of it? So the answer is absolutely not, because light cannot escape from the gravity of the black hole. So according to this, if we have to escape from the black hole, then we will have to be thousands of times faster than light, and this can never happen. 2. If black holes are so far away that it takes thousands of years for light to reach them, then how do scientists see the black hole from such a distance? So friends, the answer to this is that NASA has so many powerful satellites and telescopes that see a lot of things in space from a distance. And if we talk about NASA's most powerful satellite, then friends, NASA's most powerful satellite is the James Webb Telescope, which is also called JWST in short form. This telescope is revolving around the sun, i.e., it is 1 million miles away from our Earth, which is more than 1.6 million kilometers away. You can guess the power of this telescope by the fact that it can also see the galaxies and stars outside our galaxy. 1. If the black hole is the most dangerous thing to be seen in the universe so far, then can it be that something is more dangerous than the black hole and is still hidden from human eyes? So friends, the answer to this is the white hole, which can be more dangerous than the black hole. White holes have not been seen yet, but they have been guessed to be there. As before finding black holes, the guess was made to be black holes. Now, how can white holes be, and how dangerous can they be? I will research on this and explain it in some next video. And God knows how many such dangers will be roaming in our space. As far as they reach, it is impossible for us to even think about them. So friends, now I hope you like this video. It takes a lot of research to make these videos and a lot of time to edit. So that's why you have to give this video a like. And if you want to see more such videos, then subscribe to my channel.